So to get to this OP switch, we took this off. It's much easier to get to there. You don't necessarily need to if you feel like reaching up and around. But it's pretty much located at this angle, right, move this stuff out of the way. You can see where it mounts into, right where my fingers are, right here, okay? So you're gonna need your oil pressure switch socket. It's a special socket. Slide it over it, and then we'll remove it. Before we do that, we need to, of course, disconnect the wiring. I'll see if I can get it disconnected and I'll show you. There it is. That's what it looks like right there. Just grab this tab and then I pulled it off. Easy peasy. Set that aside where we can find it. Here's the special socket I was talking about. As you can tell, it's not just a plain old, 6-point socket or anything. Let's see if I can get this in here. Okay, bring my socket down along the back. That slides right over. Once it's nice and loose, I'm going to go ahead and get this back off of there. It's important to take note of approximately how many turns it took to remove this, because you'd want to remember that it wasn't necessarily screwed all the way into the point it was bottomed out with the engine. You can tell by how far the markings go up the tape here. It only goes up about halfway up the threaded area. It's already got the tape on it. You don't have to worry about that. That's going to help seal it. I'm going to start this in by hand before I put my ratchet on, of course. Okay. Okay. That's approximately halfway. Feels great. Get my ratchet back off of here. Get the socket off of there. Just gonna feel. This feels good. Perfect. Grab that wiring. Got our wiring here. Let's go ahead and get that connected in. Perfect. Awesome. If you moved any of this wiring around, just make sure that nothing's unplugged. That looks great. Awesome.